Hello everyone, I would like to talk to you today about welding. At present, according to the welding method and process principle, mainly divided into three categories: fusion welding, pressure welding, and brazing. Here we mainly introduce brazing. Brazing refers to the solder and weldment that are lower than the melting point of the weldment. At the same time, after heating to the melting temperature of the solder metal, filling the gaps of solid workpieces with liquid solder metal. Welding method for joining metals. It is also the earliest material used by humans, one of the connection methods. Before humans began to use iron, it had invented soldering to join metals. Although brazing technology appeared earlier, but it has not been greatly developed for a long time. Until the 1930s. On the basis of the development of metallurgical and chemical technologies, brazing technology has developed rapidly and gradually become an independent industrial production technology, especially after World War II. Due to aviation and aerospace, the development of new technologies such as nuclear energy and electronics, adoption of new materials and new structural forms, higher requirements are placed on connection technology. Brazing technology has therefore received greater attention, rapidly developed. Emergence of many new brazing methods. Its application is also becoming more and more widespread. Brazing is generally based on the melting point of the solder, divided into two types of soldering and brazing. Solder melting point below 150 degrees for soldering. The solder metal usually has bismuth-based, indium-based, tin-based, lead-based, zinc-based, and other alloys. Solder metals with a melting point higher than 450 degrees Celsius, commonly known as refractory solder. Solder commonly used such as aluminum-based, copper-based, silver-based, manganese-based, gold-based, nickel-based, target-based, and other alloys. The solder metal can be divided into wire, rod, sheet, funnel, powder, paste solder, etc. There are many commonly used process methods for brazing, mainly by the equipment used. Distinguished from the working principle, almost all heating sources can be used as a brazing heat source. The commonly used brazing is divided into resistance brazing, flame brazing, high-frequency brazing, diffusion brazing, vacuum brazing, etc.